welcome back to Your House Fitness. Today, I'm going to take you guys through a dumbbell back workout, a lot of great back exercises, and we're going to do it very quickly too. Make sure before you start, you read up on some of these exercises we're going to do. We're going to go through hinges, we're going to do bent over rows, and we're going to talk about different isometric exercises. So if you've ever seen like a Y raise before, we'll cover that as well. All you're going to need is a set of dumbbells. I prefer you start pretty light with this and build up your conditioning so you can lift a little bit of heavier weights. And we're going to focus more so on our mind muscle connections to our back muscles like our lats, our rhomboids, our mid and trapezius. And we're going to make sure we have a strong stability in our core, okay? So you want good oblique engagement. You want to feel your transverse abdominis while you're doing this as well. I'm going to get set up with these 12-pound dumbbells. And I'm going to start with my very first movement. Make sure you guys are nice and warmed up before this. I'm going to hinge into my hips nice and slow. And when I end about knee level, I'm going to take a deep breath in and do a bent over dumbbell row. We're going to do 5 reps of these. 2, 3, 4, and 5. When I'm done, I'm going to do 5 hinges, okay? We're going to tuck our elbows in nice and tight. Feel the lats. We're just going to hinge. 2, 3, 4, and 5. When I'm done my 5, I'm gonna set myself back down and I'm gonna perform a overhead raise with our dumbbell for 5 reps. Very similar to a Y raise or an I raise. Core nice and tight. You can just use one dumbbell here. If your dumbbells are light enough, you can use one in each hand. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, one more. 5. When you're done, we're going to stand back up, catch your breath, and we're going to do the exact same thing, but we're going to reduce the reps to account for fatigue. We're going to drop our 5 reps to 3, come right back up, deep breath in, hinge your hips, 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I should have done 3. That's okay. We're going to do some extra reps today. 3 reps of hinges. 1. Deep stretch, feel your lats. 2, deep stretch. I want to pack my shoulder blades and feel the lats. 3, we're going to set it back down. Now we're going to hit our mid trapezius, go into our prone I raise. If you find your I raise is a bit too hard, you can always shorten the leverage by bringing your arm in. Deep breath in, nice brace core, and we're going to lift 1. Every time I lift, I want to use my scapula to do 2, and 3. We're gonna go for 1 more round, nice and quick. You can drop the reps again. I feel pretty okay with this weight, so I'm gonna keep it at 3 reps. You can drop it down to 2 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. If you're a bit more fit, you can do all 5 reps throughout all your sets. If you find you're fatiguing or a specific exercise might be challenging, I find the Y raise pretty challenging, I'll drop the reps down. You don't really need to chase a certain rep scheme. Just go slow, take your time. Time under tension is really important, and make sure you use your mind muscle connection to feel your lats throughout this complex. Thank you for joining us for the back workout.